The 1969 Dodge Charger Funny Car by Polar Lights, Hot Wheels Edition. Let's open her up and see what's inside after the intro. Alright, so we have some nice looking box art here. Got the Hot Wheels tracks and, the livery. And then on this side it shows the stickers and the decals. It actually has vinyl stickers and water slide decals, both. And then you got a picture of the interior, front on shot. This is with the body up. Get a real nice view of the engine in this picture here. If you can see that. And then on the back, it's got everything that's included all here. All right, let's get her open. Starting out, we have the chrome tree. Let's get that opened up. It looks nice. Oh, got blade out. Got wheels galore. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of wheels. Let's see, chrome wheelie bars and shocks, blower components, tack, gauges, front end. Nice wheels though. It's a bunch of different ones. You can have all kinds of setups with that. I think we're going to go with stock on this one though. And then on the other chrome tree, we got the steering wheel here, the blower, valve covers. Not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. There's the blower pulley. Yeah. Some tanks. Pedals. There's the blower hat. Right there, if y'all can see that. Alright, let's get on with some more stuff. Clear parts. Here we got the body. Let's check that out. Body is molded in gray. Seems to be really nice. Doesn't really seem to be any hard mold lines. I see a few. Some here. Seems to run down here and across. Same on this side. Some up the A pillar here. Little flash to clean up, but that ain't gonna be too bad. Overall, the body looks really nice. It's gonna be really easy to paint this one. Set that aside. What's next? Clear tree. All right. Let's see. So we have the side windows here. 2 front windshields. I'm assuming for different options. One here and one here. That one's got the cutout right there. This one doesn't. It's kind of got that lip. And then you got the rear window. That one doesn't look too bad. Nice clear tree. Ooh boy. This is it. Off to the rubber. You got the Hot Wheels Redline slicks. They're 2-piece. Oh yeah, these will work quite nicely. A little cleanup, a little sanding. Look pretty good. Set that one aside. There's the second one. Put that together. A little cleanup here and there, but they look good. Fronts, nice and skinny. Red lines. What's the print? Goodyear? Yeah. I barely see it, but it says Goodyear right here. Alright. And there's the second front tire. Set these over here. And this is the belt, I believe. Vinyl. I've never seen a kit come with a vinyl belt. And I think that's why the pulley on the chrome tree was just the pulley and not the belt system. So we'll set that over here with the rest of it. And our big bag. It's got all the other parts. Oh, let's open this up. Got some interior body panels. This is where the body clips onto the interior. And that looks like the post that holds the body up, or the frame. There's where it clips onto the body. I'm assuming it's going to go over here somewhere. We'll see. It's in the same gray as the body. Everything is molded in this color other than the clear and the chrome. Alright. And that one looks nice. Then we got more interior panels. This here goes in front. Oh, that's the firewall almost. Okay, so the blower would come down on top of there. And then here's for, I think that's for the chute. Interior panels. Let's see. Here we got some wheel backs, some brakes, drive shaft, fire extinguisher, parachute, rear end assembly, roll cage components. Not real sure what these are here. We'll figure it out. I think this might be the mounts for the exhaust, I believe. But we'll see. So far, this kit's looking really nice. It's going to be real fun. And I chose this kit because, I mean, I love drag racing for one. I grew up watching NHRA and stuff. And I collect Hot Wheels, so I figured it was just a perfect match. Here we got some more wheel backs. Some, I'm assuming frame rail braces, maybe. The seat belt that's molded separate from the seat, which is really cool. It'll be easy to detail that out. There's the seat. And that looks to be the cockpit bottom. Like the seat goes here and stuff. Then you got the drive shaft hoop here. And some more frame rail braces. Let's get some of this out of the way. Oh, what's next? So the next bag has let's see, we have transmission, engine block, oil pan, engine mounting plate, looks like, intake manifold, transmission pan, heads, or yeah, that's the heads. The exhaust, these are nice. I kind of like these a lot. And they already have the holes dimpled out a little bit. Then we have the distributor, oil filter, starter. Yeah, that's on that tree. Then over here we got the frame rail itself. That thing's really straight. What do we got left? The decals themselves. These are interesting. They come with both vinyl and water slide. So here's the water slides. Ooh, nice flames. You got two different tail light options here and here. And you got the grills, two different grill options. Hot Wheels, number 5, little Hot Wheels, center stripes, side flames. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. And then we have the vinyl stickers. Now these are true vinyl. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, and they're clear too. So they're clear back vinyls. I don't think I'm gonna use these, but it's nice that they included them anyways. And then to wrap up what's in the box, we have the instruction manual. And the instruction manual seems to be pretty well laid out. There ain't too many steps, it looks like. You can get it open. So you got the engine assembly, and it shows just kind of an exploded engine view. Easy to follow though, so that'll be interesting. And it even shows what it looks like after it's done, just on its own, not with an exploded view or nothing, which you don't see that too often. And here's the color guide. I think I'm going to go with the box stock colors. Or try to keep it as box stock as possible. And then on the inside, here's how to do the frame rails. There's the fuel tanks, drive shafts. All seems pretty easy to follow. Then you got the cockpit. Down here. Okay, that was the header braces. Engine just drops in. Wow, looks like it'd be really simple. The wheels and tires going on over here. Then we got the body assembly. So here's the windshields and the side windows, back window. You have the interior panels, and then the firewall. And then on the back, shows how it fits in, clips on the back here. And then it shows where everything goes on the car itself for the vinyls and the water slides. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a great kit to build. This is my first video build on this channel, so it'll be interesting. Alright, that wraps up this unboxing. But stay tuned to the channel for more videos. We'll get this one going. And just remember, at MK Modelworks, we put progress over perfection, learning as we go. So, have a good day.